So you deal with a lot of
Want to create a new
dark
palette?
contrast, right?
Oh, very much
You have to
so.
deal with a lot of light and dark and shadows and all that stuff.
Yeah, I prefer to shoot in black and white, and I'll edit in color for that very reason.
Why? So you don't have to use pigmentation and stuff?
Because then you're not distracted by the pigmentation, and you're looking at the details a lot more. In addition to you're looking at just the light.
Is black and white the equivalent to the grayscale in painting, or?
Well, it's desaturation. So if you're grayscaling to, let's say, the mono filter on the iPhone, or if you're using another application, if you brought saturation down to 0, that's what would be black and white.
What's desaturation?
Oh,
It's the opposite of saturation.
Saturation is the total volume of color in it. It's a very common tool to use. Essentially, saturation, contrast, and exposure.
So desaturation is kind of like opacity, where you
Opacity is how far you can see through something, while saturation is how, let's say,